Welcome friends in Money for Me Stock Market Educational Hub. Below are our details, website, email ID and contact number. If you have any query questions regarding our training programs, or you want to ask any question about our analysis, so you can write email to on our email ID or you can call our mobile number. So we will see Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty chart analysis for intraday. So as you can see friends here, so Nifty is showing a sharp up move, that is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and right now higher high. So Nifty is going in a very big sharp rally, but if you see every candle, so every candle is very small, there is no any big green candle, and this is the daily chart. So there is no any big green candle, so there are small green candles here, once, twice, and then you can say that this one and this one. But if we left these candles, so there are so many dojis, that is the neutral candles. Market open gap up, that means market open, if close here, so next day open here, fill the gap and again close the at a opening price. So it is happening on a every day, day by day, but trend is up, that is bullish. Nifty 50 is hitting a lifetime high on a every day. Okay, but if you see DMA, that is daily moving average, so if you see 20 DMA, so last time Nifty has shown a big fall, that was the Monday 21st December, and after that it has taken a support from the 20 DMA and shown a sharp rally. Now as per our analysis, we are expecting Nifty will come down to touch again this 20 DMA, but we have to wait for a confirmations, because as per the chart now, right now Nifty is very overbought. Now we will see intraday chart analysis. So we will come to the hourly chart, then line chart, or we can use candle chart as well. So here is one small range, this top, that is the resistance, and this bottom work like a support. Okay, so this is the resistance and this one is support on a hourly chart. Right now come to the 15 minutes. So what is the scenario of 15 minutes? So you can see here is one small inverted head and shoulder today, this one shoulder 1, this is head and this is shoulder 2, and here it was a breakout. Okay, breakout, and Nifty has sustained above this support. Okay, so tomorrow morning we have to wait for this resistance breakout, otherwise we have to wait for this support level. If Nifty will come down near this support, so we will take a buy call based on the confirmation, not directly. If Nifty sustain this near support, so we will take a buy call for this target, and if Nifty will come up in morning session and give a breakout to this resistance, so we will take buy call. Otherwise, if shown any bearish pattern, so we will take a sell call, vice versa. In intraday we have to ready for a both side, that is the upside and downside, but right now Nifty is trading exactly center point of the support and resistance, that is the major support and resistance. Okay, but still trend is up, intraday trend is also up, that is the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, but wait for the confirmation. Now come to the Bank Nifty chart. So if you see Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty has hit lifetime high today and yesterday, right? But if you see So here was a resistance, that was the lifetime high, and right now Bank Nifty is trading at the same level of this resistance, and here is two dojis, that is the neutral candles. So can we say that Bank Nifty is ready for some correction? Yes, we can say that. If you see 20 DMA and 50 DMA, so again Bank Nifty is also far from its 20 DMA, so it can be come down to test its 20 DMA, otherwise this support. Okay, so Bank Nifty is also overbought. Okay, and right now it is trading at the resistance. निफ्टी के अंदर तो कोई भी रेसिस्टेंस नहीं है, बट यहाँ पे बैंक निफ्टी एग्जैक्टली ट्रेडिंग बिलो द रेसिस्टेंस, एंड देयर वाज अ बैक टू बैक टू डोजीज, दैट इज द न्यूट्रल कंफर्मेशन नियर रेसिस्टेंस. बट वी हैव टू वेट फॉर अ कंफर्मेशन, because there is no any bearish confirmation on Nifty 50. This is the daily chart. So we will be cautious on Bank Nifty for bullish, more bullish. Now come to the hourly chart. अगर मैं hourly chart यहाँ पे देखूँ, so hourly chart, if I'll click on a line chart, so Nifty is sustaining below the resistance. Now come to the 15 minutes. Okay, so it is a 15 minute. So here is one support, here is one support, and it is good support. Okay, but it is a intraday support, not a positional support. And one more is here, small support for tomorrow morning. If Bank Nifty breaks this support, so we will take sell call for these levels, otherwise vice versa, we will wait for this resistance. Once it will reach to this resistance, that time we will wait for breakout or for a again dip, that is correction. So depends. And if you see, so trend is up, but still Bank Nifty has not crossed this resistance and closed above this resistance. We have to wait for a closing above this resistance. And if we draw one trend line from this bottom to this bottom, so we can say that Bank Nifty is creating one bullish triangle on 15 minutes. Okay, so we can expect this resistance, then fall from this resistance, then again up moves. So we have to ready for both side. Okay, so this is the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty chart analysis. I hope friends आपको ये analysis and video पसंद आएगा. So like our video, share our video and subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon as well. Bye bye friends, keep in touch. One more thing friends, if you are doing intraday trading, so you can join our Telegram channel, and Telegram channel's link is mentioned in our description box. So click on that and you can join our Telegram channel. Bye bye.